Hello, I'm Karan. Welcome to you guys to my channel. Today we will create this. Before starting our video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this, and also I will upload tutorials of Photoshop and Illustrator. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like this video if this video helps you. So let's get started. So first of all, open your After Effects. And then go to pexels.com or unsplash.com to find our image. Or you can import your own picture, but please check in the picture there will be no clouds because it's hard to remove clouds, so download your image and import it. And then go back to After Effects. And drag your image into timeline. And then duplicate the image and hide the bottom image. And then go to Effects and Presets panel and search Color Range Effect. Apply it and change all 127 values to 0. And then simply click on Color Picker and click on Sky. Sometimes this effect give you bad effect, but don't be afraid, try to change all options in effect, and it will depend on your picture. If you tried but it was not responding, so comment it, what's your problem, I will answer you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, I'm updating my YouTube videos and small tutorials. So our background is ready. Now again go to pexels.com and search for Sky. And select Video. Select your favorite video, I'm using this one. You can use anything, it depends on the photo. My photo is in daylight. So I'm using daylight sky. So now import your video into After Effects and then into timeline. And put your video in the middle of both images. And select Mode to overlay. If you can't see modes, press F4 to open Mode menu. Also you can change brightness and contrast according to your image. And boom. Here it is. It's look beautiful. So if this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video and share this video to your friends so they can also make this type of effect. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in next video.